Hello dear viewers, welcome to my new video lesson. Today I'm gonna give you an important tips and tricks how you can develop your spoken skill. And take if you can take these tricks, I hope and I expect I can assure you that you must be fluent in spoken English. And I hope that you will be practicing regularly. And if you want to be fluent and expert in spoken English, if you want to control this second language, you must practice it. And you will have to consume this language in your own memory, own mind, and own heart. So I hope that today's video lesson is going to be very much enjoyable and very much fruitful for you. Let's see and let's uh, enjoy this video lesson. Today we are going to learn about some phrases and idioms with meaning, and we will also learn how to use these idioms in English sentences. And at the same time, you will be able to understand how to make sentence using this type of idioms and phrases. So if you are a student of uh, Kolkata, Bangladesh, Assam, Tripura, and the some parts of Indian continent where the people are using Bangla language, you will understand because I have here written the Bengali meaning also. First, idioms is sweet of ons bro. That means hard work. Hard work. The poor of our country earn money by the sweat of their brow. That means the poor people always earn their living by working hard, by working physical labor. So this is called sweat of one's brow. Second, set foot on. That means put a step or land on any uh, any place. Neil Armstrong set his foot on the moon first. That means Neil Armstrong is the first human who landed on the moon first, and he set foot on the lunar of the moon first. Number 3, stand to. Stand to means stick to or cling to or be serious to any goal. That is called stand to. We should stand to our aim to be successful. That means we should be serious to our goal or to our aim so that we can be successful. Number 4, tail upon, to harm. To harm, that means anything that is harmful for our body is called tail upon. Smoking tells upon our health, or drugs tell upon our health. That means smoking or drugs so much dangerous for our health. Number 5, tell big, talk big. Talk big means to be boast or to be proud of something. We should not talk big for our property. We should not talk big for our blue blood, or we should not be talk big for our power. That means we should not be proud of because this is dangerous. Number 6, take heart, to be encouraged, and that is should be inspired. Students take heart at their teacher's speech. That means after hearing the speech or encouraging speech or motivational speech, the students become inspired. So this is called students take heart at their teacher's speech. Number 7, 10 to 1, a bit possible, a little bit possible. That may happen or may not. That is called 10 to 1. The lazy student may pass in the examination 10 to 1. If you are lazy, you never be successful in any goal or in any action. So if you want to be successful, you must be active, you must be serious. and those who are lazy can never be successful in any attempt or in any work. Number 8, to the backbone. That means completely, completely or fully. This boy is honest to the backbone. That means the boy is top to bottom an honest man. Number 9, turn tail. To run away or to flee, flee. To flee or to run away. At last the thief turned tail from the house. At last the enemies turn tail from the place. That means the enemies or the thief fled away from the place. Number 10, to make room, to create seat, or to create palace. He left the seat in the bench to make room for me. That means the student left the seat of the bench to make room for his friend or for me. Number 11, through and through. That means completely. It is like to the backbone. My friend is through and through a clever man. That means my friend is very much clever and he is very much intelligent. That's why he is called through and through. That means he is completely intelligent. 12, to play cool. That means silently or cleverly. He had many problems but played them cool. He had many problems but played them cool. That means he managed the problems in cool headed, in with intelligence, his with his cold blood, and that is why he is called. He had many problems but played them cool. 13, up and doing. That means to be active, to be serious, to be uh, action oriented. Students should be up and doing to get good result. Without being activate, without being active and up and doing, no one can get good result. That's why every student should be up and doing to get good results. But to be successful in any attempt, in any job, everyone must be serious, everyone must be up and doing. Number 14, used to. Used to means habituated, that we do every moment, every day. The people of India and Bangladesh are used to take rice. That means the people of Asian subcontinents or Asian countries are used to take rice, especially the people of Bangladesh and India. They like taking rice. 15, RG upon. That means to put pressure and to want to get something from someone, and if we give pressure or if we request persistently, that is called RG upon. That means request persistently. The poor man urged upon to the chairman for aid, for help, for assistance. That means the poor man is in need of taking help or taking aid. That is called urge upon. 16, vary from. That is different from others or differ from others. Your opinion varies from the others. That means you are indifferent. You are different from other people's opinion. That's why your opinion can be different from others. And in this case, we can use vary from in the place of differ. Number 17, vexed with. Vexed with means bored or reluctant or bothered. The teacher is vexed with the students for their bad result. The students uh, didn't do well in the exam. The students cut sorry figure in the examination. That's why the teacher is vexed with them. And in this case, we can use the teacher is vexed with the students for their bad result, uh, for their worst result. 18, watery grave. Watery grave means to drown and die. That means die in untimely death or die in the water. The princess met with a watery grave. That means the princess died at early age or premature age, or the princess died in the water. 19. Well up. Well up means skilled or expert. I want to be well up in English language. I want to be well up in speaking English. Number 20. Zeal for or zealous for. Zeal for means interested. Interested. He has zeal for social work. Zeal for is used as a noun, and jealous for is used as adjective. That's why after have has we can use zeal, but after have has we cannot use jealous, because adjective is used after be verb or to be verb or auxiliary verb like am, is, or was, were. But after to have verb, that is have, has, had, we cannot use adjective form of any word, and we can use noun or past participle of verb. So here we can use he has zeal for social work. That means he is interested. He has interest in social work. He is zealous for social work. That means he is interested in social work. So these were our today's matter of discussion. These 20 idioms are very much important for our daily communication. In our everyday life, we use these idioms very frequently. That's why I have selected these 20 idioms and phrases to discuss with you. And if you can learn this type of idioms, your speech will be standard and your speech will be fluent. And if you can use this type of idioms, your listener will think that you are perfect and you are expert in English language. So I hope you have got the idea how to use idioms and phrase in English language, how to make sentence using this type of idioms in your speech or in your communication. So if you think that this video lesson was useful, important for you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get every updates of this YouTube channel and you can be fluent, you can be expert in English language, English speaking. And if you are always connected with this YouTube channel, I hope you will get every components or every ingredients of learning English fluently and correctly. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.